Good morning to all. Let us discuss today tangent property of a circle. This is circle. O is the center of the circle. B is the tangent to the circle at the point of contact A. OB is the distance of the point B, that is the exterior point, from the origin O. This distance given 17 centimeter. That means given in this question number 1, OB distance from the origin and point given 17 centimeter. Radius of the circle you have to find out, that is OA. Diameter given 16 centimeter. The half of diameter will give you radius, that is 16 by 2, 8 centimeter. And we have to find out length of tangent. B is the to find a length of tangent. That is BA. We have to find out. So using by Pythagoras theorem, using this is 90 degree, as you know, the tangent at the point of contact and the radius will be perpendicular to each other. That means OA perpendicular to BA. Using Pythagoras theorem, OB given 17 centimeter, radius as diameter 16, radius will be half 18 centimeter. Therefore, in the triangle ABO, AB is equal to how much? 17 whole square minus 8 whole square root over 17 whole square. Just multiply 17 whole square equal to how much? 17 whole square equal to how much? Tell very fast. 289 minus 8 whole square 64. 289 minus 68 is coming how much? 225 root over 225 root over is 15 centimeter. Therefore, length of tangent equal to how much? Therefore, length of tangent is equal to 15 centimeter. In this way, question number 1 completed. Let us go one more question. Question number 2. In this question, exercise 13.b from the innovative math book I am doing actually. Let's see the question. If OP is equal to 17 centimeter, OT is equal to 8 centimeter, and PT is a tangent to the circle whose center is O, find the length of the tangent PT. The same figure, OP means 17. Just let me discuss here. Draw first circle here. As per the question, you have to draw circle. This is the center of the circle. And draw one tangent. This is P point. This one is T. And you join. OP given 17 centimeter. Exercise 13b from the book Innovative. And OT, that is 8 centimeter. This is 90 degree. You have to find out PT. PT in the triangle OPT. PT is equal to OP square minus OT square root over OP 17 square minus OT, that is radius of the circle, 8 whole square root over. So here actually what is given? First you have to write. It is given OP is equal to 17 centimeter, OT given, that is radius of the circle, 8 centimeter. By using Pythagoras theorem, 17 whole square is 289 minus 64. It is coming 225 root over, which is equal to 15 centimeter. 225 root over. Therefore, the length of tangent which is equal to PT is equal to 15 centimeter. Question number 1 complete. Exercise. Let us go next question. Question number 2, what is given, just to see here. AB and CD are two chords of a circle intersecting at a point P inside the circle such that AP given 6 cm, PB given 5 cm, CP given 4 cm, find PD. Okay, there are two parts are there. Let me solve one by one. Two chords intersecting at the point P inside the circle. Just see. In this question number first part, first to draw one circle. Inside the circle, two chords are intersecting at the point. Suppose AB is a chord and CD is another chord. Both the chords are intersecting at the point P internally, means inside the circle. And here first part, what is given? First to write. It is given AP equal to 6 cm. AP equal to 6 cm. PB given 5 cm. CP PB given. Sorry, this is PB. AP given, PB given, and CP given 4 cm. 4 cm. This is given, and you have to find out to find PD. To find PD. Okay. So as for the theorem, already I have discussed. Now, whenever two chords are intersect internally at the point P, the segments, product of the segments are equal. That means PA into PB. The product of the segment, that is PA into PB, is equal to PC into PD. Now put the value of what is PA given, that is AP given 6 cm, PB given 5 cm, PC given 4 cm, and PD you have to find out. 6 5 is 30, that means PD will be how much? 30 by 4. 30 by 4 means 15 by 2. The length of PD is equal to 15 by 2 means 7.5 centimeter. The first part completed. Let us go to the second part. The second part question given AP equal to 8 centimeter. First to draw one circle. Inside the circle, two chords are intersecting at the point P. Suppose AB is a chord and another chord CD. Both the chords are intersecting at the point P. What is given here in this question? In this question it is given second part AP is equal to 8 centimeter, CP given 6 centimeter, PD given 4 centimeter, and you have to find out PB. To find the length of PB, you have to find out. So as for the theorem, when the two chords are intersect internally at the point P, the product of the segment, that is PA into PB, is equal to PC into PD. Now PA equal to how much? 8 centimeter. PB equal to, you have to find out, and PC, that is 6 centimeter, PD 4 centimeter. There this implies PB is equal to 6 for the 24, 24 by 8. Therefore PB is equal to 24 by 8 means 3 centimeter. 8 3 is 24. The length of PB is equal to 3 centimeter. In this way, I have completed number 2 second part. Today I have completed few questions from the chapter tangent property. Let's solve one more question. Question number 3. If AB and CD are two chords of a circle which when produced meet at a point P, means outside, such that PC is equal to 15, CD equal to 7 centimeter, PA given 12 centimeter, find AB. Here AB and CD are two chords of a circle which when produced meet at a point P, that is outside of the circle. Second part also given. Let me solve one by one. Let's see. Suppose AB is a chord like this. AB is a chord and CD another chord. Their they are produced and meet at the point P, like this. AB and CD chord intersecting at the point P after extension, means meeting at the point P. The first part it is given PC is equal to 15 centimeter, CD given 7 centimeter, PA given 12 centimeter, and you have to find out to find AB. So whenever two chords intersect internally or externally, as per the property, PA into PB is equal to PC into PD. Here PA given 12 centimeter, PB not given, and PC 15 centimeter, and PD will be how much? See, PC given 15 centimeter and CD given, this one is given 7 centimeter. The 15 minus 7, PD is equal to 15 minus 7, and PB will be how much? Let the length of AB be x centimeter. PA given 12, then PB will be 12 minus x, this part, and this is 7 minus 15 minus 7. So PB equal to 12 minus x. Now see, 12 whole into 12 minus x is equal to how much coming? 15 into 15 minus 8, 15 minus 7, that is 8. Now 12 minus x is equal to 15 into 8 by 12. 4 2 is 8, 4 3 is 12, 3 5 is 15, 5 is 10. 12 minus x is equal to 10. Therefore 12 minus 10 is equal to x. Therefore x is equal to 2 centimeter. X means AB. Therefore length of AB is equal to 2 centimeter. Therefore length of AB is equal to 2 centimeter. This is the first part answer. The second part question, the second part question, same figure, but here PA given, PA equal to given 10 centimeter, PA given 10 centimeter, PB given 4 centimeter, and PC given 8 centimeter, PC given 8 centimeter. These are three things given here, and you have to find out to find PD. The same concept you apply as per the property of the when two chords intersect internally or externally, the product of the segment, that is PA into PB. PA into PB is equal to PC into PD. Here PA equal to how much? PA given 10 centimeter, PB given 4 centimeter, PC given 8 centimeter, and PD you have to find out. 10 for the 40, 40 divided by 8 will give you PD. 40 by 8 means 4 centimeter. Therefore length of PD is equal to 8 5 is 40, that means 5 centimeter. In this way, this number 3, first part, second part also completed. Thank you for today's class. Next day, we'll do more sums.